Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be demoing my checkrain quick start application for Android. This just runs a open recovery script that automatically launches and gets all the permissions right for checkrain inside of TWRP. It's available inside of the Play Store, but the application is not being indexed right now. It just got released. You can find a link in the description, or you can also download the APK directly from the GitHub page. This is a fully open source project. You can check out all the code. Okay, now we're going to open up the application for the first time. It's going to ask for root. You need to be rooted for this. If you were already jailbreaking with your Android phone before, this should work 100%. If you've never tried jailbreaking your phone with an Android device, your device may or may not be supported. This isn't going to make more phones work. This is just going to make it easier for devices that already had the capability to run these commands. In the main view here, we have a little log, and if you're not rooted, this is going to tell you that you're not rooted. Over here we have links to the GitHub page and information on how to get into DFU mode on all of the current devices. If you don't know how to put your device into DFU mode, you're going to have to manually do that, so make sure that you know how. Next we just tap the button. We're going to get an error for the first time it created a directory, so you actually have to tap it 2 times right now. This is a bug in the current version. There we go. You are about to reboot. Do you want to reboot into TWRP to run checkrain? Yes or no? Anyway, I stopped my screen recording and I'm going to hit proceed. It's going to boot into TWRP now. It uses the same system as an over-the-air update for a custom ROM. Every time that TWRP launches, it checks for a file in cache recovery command. So what we're doing is just automatically running the command from there. As you can see, this is a jailbroken iOS device. If you have a encrypted storage partition, TWRP obviously needs to decrypt that. And I'm going to put my iOS device into DFU, volume up, volume down, then hold until it shuts off. You'll see that this is automatically launched now. There we go. It should detect it. My device is already in DFU mode and attached. Once the script hits the done command in TWRP, it's going to automatically reboot to system. On the Android device, the iOS device is now booted. There we go. And now both of my devices are back. I'll quickly demo how to flash the zip in case you don't use your Android phone on a normal basis. If you don't normally have it turned on, then obviously running an app is less convenient. The flashable checkrain zip open recovery script is actually located on your internal storage, so you can just run that straight from recovery without having to use the app. I'll just show you where that is. To run it from recovery, just go to install. It's in your root directory inside of data, and then checkrain, and then it's this zip file. So if we just flash this, you'll see it automatically runs the command. So anyways guys, this project is fully open source on GitHub. You can step through everything to make sure there's no funny business going on. I just made this to make my life easier, and I thought that maybe if I spruced it up a bit, somebody else might be able to use it too. So thanks for watching guys, peace.